Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Vinovest. Vinovest is a wine investment platform that's democratizing fine wine investing. It provides investors with unparalleled access, liquidity, and transparency to world-class wines. If you don't have a Vinovest account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 3 months of waived fees on Vinovest. Once you clicked on our affiliate link, you will be directed to this sign-up page. So there are several sign-up options either with Google, Apple, or with your email. Click on the option you wish to select. So in this video, I chose to sign up with an email. Now, enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the password you wish to use. Also, you could select how did you hear about Vinovest. But it is just optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Create Account button. Then a pop-up window will appear. There you will see the two types of Vinovest account, Managed Account and Trading Account. In Managed Account, Vinovest sommelier and algorithm will build your wine portfolio. While in Trading Account, you have the 100% control on your portfolio. Read and review the following information, then you could finally start trading. That's how you sign up for Vinovest. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.